So let's see where are we in our project. So if I go to my religion website, if I go in the preview, so these are my religion. I can create new views and I can put some views and I can insert the record and I can go into the database, and here I will go and I will go into the views and I will see 3 records are added. Now we will add some more fields in the view, because as soon as I add the view, it should go to the admin first and admin should approve it. Otherwise, user should not be able to see it. But before that, we will do, yesterday we decided to do some rules, and those rules were like if record status is approved and if it is not approved, I have to check if user is logged in and is owner of the religion, then I will allow it. Otherwise, I will not allow it. If it is public, I will allow anyone to add the view. And if it is closed group, then I will only allow the owner of the group to enter the record in the view. So here I want to add one more point, and that point is B point. I will add it if status is deleted. I told you deleted status is 2 number, and I will not show to admin also to anyone. And don't show view page or religion page to owner and anyone on the site. If it is deleted, soft deleted, it means status is 2, and I will not show the view page or religion page to owner and to anyone on the site. Owner will also not be able to see it. So we have to take care of these conditions in the view page. So let's go to the view page. This is my views page, create view page. Let's go first to create view page. In the create view page, you will see my form is there, and I have this server behavior already on the page. Now what I will do, this has to be written a hard coded some code, because Dreamweaver does not support all this logic which I created it. This is the logic which I put it on the site. So this Dreamweaver will not have this logic. So let's go one by one. First, I have to say if the record has status of approved. Now I will go to the code level. Now all the details of the religion will come in this record set. If you see on the right side, this is the record set where I will get all the details of the religion. I will get the status, I will get the title, I will get the description, I will get everything about the religion. So let's see what is coming for the religion. So I will print out the value, the variable which I am using is this one, row rs religion. So everything about religion will be inside this variable. So what I will do, I will say print out row rs religion, and I will see what is coming in here. So refresh the page. So you will see in the top, I am getting all the details of the religion. So here is the religion status, which is very important to us now. So first we will deal with this religion status. So what is the point? First point, if record set is status approved, then I do nothing. I will go ahead. So I can say, I will say first point. What is the first point? This is the first point. I will put this first point. If it is approved, then do nothing. Let user go ahead. So for example, if I want to write in PHP, I will say if this is a variable, and in this variable, I have the value called as religion status. I will say if this variable with the key of religion status. So this is the array, and it has multiple variable names. So I will put this religion, row rs religion, which I get here, and I will say religion status. This is the status I am checking. So I am say if this religion status is equal to 1. I don't want to do anything. Then I will say don't do anything. Just pass. Because if it is approved, that means it is good condition. I don't want to write any logic. I can delete this part also. But right now I'll just put it for showing you that I took care of the first condition. Now let's see the second condition. What is the second condition? The status is deleted. Don't allow anyone to enter in this page. If status is deleted, I don't want anyone to enter into the page. So what I will say, I will copy these lines and I will say if the religion status is equal to 2, that means it is deleted, and I have to don't allow anyone. I don't want to allow anyone to enter into the site. So how to prevent that? If it is deleted, I will redirect. I will redirect user to maybe index page. So how to redirect to another page? I can say header location clone, which page I want to send user to, let's say index.php. And then I put the double quote, bracket close, semicolon, and I will say exit out. So that means if the religion is deleted, I don't want user to go further on this page. So I will ask user to go to the index.php page, which is this one. So let's test this page. If I refresh it, since the status is not 2, so I'm able to see this page. But if I change the status to, let's change the status of religion to 2. That means deleted. And if I refresh the page, you will see user is redirected to index.php page. So that means if religion status is 2, I'm not able to see that page, create view page. Now let's refresh it again, go to the create view. Now I will be able to see this page because I changed the status to 1. With this second if condition, I checked if it is 2, I don't allow users to enter into the page. This is because of these 2 statements. So just understand what I'm doing. No need to remember, and you will copy paste what I have in the code. So just try to see what I'm trying to do with each statement. Don't remember, it will automatically come into your mind. Whenever you are doing, you have to just watch what I have done and repeat it. If you do 10 times, you will learn it. You don't need to remember. It will automatically come into your mind. Now, third statement. What is the third statement? If it is not approved, that means it is not 1. Then check if logged in user is equal to the owner of the religion. So I will say if, let's copy this statement. So I will say if this is not equal to 1, that means it is not approved. So I will say if religion status is not equal to 1, not equal to 1, then what to do? If it is not equal to 1, that means it is not approved. Then I have to see if logged in user. What is the logged in user? Logged in user is, what is the variable for logged in user? Logged in user is this one. So I will say if this logged in user is equal to the religion's, what is this one? This user ID. This is the user ID which I am comparing. This is the owner of the religion. This is the owner of the religion. And I will check if logged in ID is equal to owner of the religion. So how to get the owner of religion? I will put this one here and I will change it to user ID. That means if logged in user is equal to owner ID, then I will allow. allow to go into the page because he's the owner. Even if the status is not approved, owner should be able to go inside it. Allow to go into the page. Else means if he is not the owner, then I can just first I will type it whether I am reaching here or not. I am in age condition. Will exit out. But since this page is created by me, so I will be able to go inside it. I will go inside this if loop. I will not go inside else. So in this if group, I am able to access this page. Let's change the user ID to 2 for this religion. Let's say I have not created. This is created by user ID 2, for example. So that means this is created by 2 and logged in user is 1. So whether I will be able to go into this page or no? User ID, no, because user ID, I change user ID to 2 and I am inside this page, but I am checking for the condition not approved, right? Not approved kind of thing. So I need to change this also not approved, -1 maybe. So I won't be able to go now. It is saying I am in the else condition. Okay, if it is approved, then I will check the other two conditions, that whether it is closed or public. And if it is closed, then I will check again. I will check user is owner or not. So I have to check it again. So this part will come later. Right now, if it is not approved, then I will check if the owner is same as the session logged in user, and if both are same, I will allow the user to go, and if both are not same, I will not allow them to go further. So now, since it is not approved, I don't want this page to be accessible by anyone. So I will copy this header part again and I will put it here. If it is not approved and if I'm not the owner of the religion, then I will be redirected to the index page. I won't be able to see this page. So let's refresh it. I am going to another page because it is not approved and I'm not the owner of that page. Let's change this to 1 again. You will do multiple times, then you will remember it. Right now, you just try to understand kind of thing. So it is approved, then I will be able to go into this page. Though it's a user ID 2 and logged in is user ID 1, but I'm able to go inside it because it is approved. Now in the approved, we need to take two conditions, this condition and this condition. So I will say here, I will again check with the approved status because this conditions is for approved status. I will say if it is approved, then I will put some more things. What things I have to put? I have to put these two things. So first condition I will check is this one. Inside the approved status. So I will check if it is public or not. So where is the public variable? Public variable is inside religion type. So how can I check the public? If record set this, that is religion type. If record set is religion type is equal to, I will put the equal sign now. And what are the two values in the database? Two values are public and closed. So I will say if it is public. If it is approved and if it is public, then I will allow all the users to go. Okay, so I will allow all the users to go. Allow all the users to go. I will not do anything here. I will not put inside it because it is public and it is approved. So I will allow the user to add the record. But if I will take this again, and here I will say if it is closed, religion type is closed, then again I will see if session user ID is equal to the owner. If it is closed, then I want owner to go inside it, but others should not go. So I will again check if user ID is equal to religion user ID, that is record set user ID. That means I am the owner. If I am the owner, then I will not do anything. Allow. I will say allow. Allow user to edit the page. Because it is closed, it is approved, but I am the owner. If I am the owner, then I should be able to edit the page. If I am not the owner, then I will not allow the user to edit the page. So let's put it here. Now since it is closed, on the first one is closed and I have not created it, so where the user will reach, whether the user will be ended here or here or here. Just think on it. User ID is 2. It is closed. That means I am not allowed to add the views. So from where I will be redirected back to the index page? Here, 1 or 2 or 3. Which place I will be redirected it to the index page? So just check it. Status is 1. This is closed. So status is 1 is not here. Status is 1 is not here. Status is 1 is here. And it is closed. So I will be coming here. But since I am not the owner of the religion, I will go inside this part and I will be redirected to index page. Let's refresh the page. I am redirecting to index page. Again, I'll click it. I'll redirect it here. Again, I'll click it. I will not get authorization to go inside this page because I am user 1 and this is created by user 2. But if I click this one, I will be able to go it because I am the owner of this religion website. But if I click this, I won't be able to go inside it. So let's change the user ID to 1. Now, if I click the first one, I will be able to go inside it. So that means if the religion is 1, I don't do anything. If the religion is 2, that is deleted, then I send the user to index page. If religion is not equal to 1, that means it is either 0, pending state, or it is -1, blocked state. I allow the owner to go into this page, but I don't allow anyone to go inside this page. And if it is approved, then I check if it is public or closed. If it is public, I don't allow anyone to go inside. I allow everyone to go. If it is, I don't put any exit statement here. If it is closed, then I check if the owner is same as logged in user. If they are same, I don't do anything. I allow user to edit page. And if they are not same, then I exit out and I will send the user to index page. So we have taken care of this all 5 conditions. Any questions on these 5 conditions? These conditions are little tricky now because there are too much code which you have to write it. I will give you in the chat, or you can get it from the GitHub also, because I will be committing this today. So now, if I am authorized, I can add the views. And what are the conditions? You have to just practice it. If you have any question in understanding this statement, then ask me. Otherwise, to remember everything, you have to practice it multiple times. So this is the condition when I say it is approved. This is the condition when I say deleted. This is the condition when it is not approved. So I send other users to index.php. I don't send owner of the religion to another web page. And if it is approved, then if it is public, I allow everyone to enter it. If it is closed, I only allow the logged in member to enter into the page. I don't allow this third party to go into this page to add the views. Is this clear?
Yes.
Any questions? Okay. Now, if I see this views page, I see this page little dull, because if my website does not have images or videos or something like that, my website will be little dull. So what I will do, I have to do two things in the database now. In the views, I will alter the table. First thing I will add is the view status. This status should be 1 for users to view it. So I can say view status equal to, let's change the view status to 1 is the length kind of thing. Default will be 0. Initially the status will be 0, and when admin will say approve, then it will become 1. So here I want to change the value in terms of, let's say, I can say 0 is not approved. Initially it is 0. 1 will be approved. Let's make 2 as blocked. Let's make 3 as deleted. So whenever someone add the view, if it is 0, that means it is not approved. No one will be able to see it. If it is 1, that means it is approved. Everyone will be able to see the view. If it is blocked, the value will become 2 and no one will be able to see it. If it is 3, that is deleted and no one will be able to see it. Admin of the religion will be able to see the blocked one, because he has to see which are blocked, and so he can maybe write email to us why it is blocked, and we can reply because of this reason it is blocked. So we will change the status to these values, and we will do this same status for the religion also. So I will change that later on after some time. So the same status will be for religion. In the religion also, 0 will be pending, 1 will be approved, 2, initially I said it is deleted, but let's make 2 equal to blocked, and let's make 3 equal to deleted. We will make same strategy in both the pages. So based on this status, we will be doing we will play the game in tomorrow or in the future classes. So these are the status which we will remember. Now I put the status, it is not null. Initially it is 0, and then when admin will approve it, it will become 1. If admin will block it, it will become 2. If admin will delete it, it will become 3. We will not do hard delete. We will not delete from the database, but we will make it 3, so it is deleted, but admin, super admin or admin can see it. Also remember, the site will become dull without images, videos, and other links. I will also allow the user to add the images. So I can say view images. We can add n number of images. I can say text, and this will be not dull. I will also ask user to add videos. That will be your YouTube videos. I won't be writing the code to play the video. I will just grab the video from the YouTube and play it in some iframe. So it will be YouTube videos. It will be text kind of thing. And user can put website link or PDF link or Google document link. So it is called as view links. It is also text. We can add as many data as we want. So we need to add these 3 things in the view page. Okay, right now it is all empty because we don't have anything. In the religion also, I want user to add the image, only image. Right now I will only allow user to add the image. Maybe tomorrow I feel that YouTube video is also necessary, I will add that. But right now I don't feel it necessary. It's a religion image. It will be only one image. He can add only one image, and I will give the varchar of 255 because I will add only one image. Whereas in the views, user can add as many images as he wants. So here I am putting religion image. I will alter it. So we have added in the database, but we need to put it in the code level, and we will do that on Monday. We will not do that today. So this one was about this page. Let's see now what we have to do. So now this part is very important. This will be used in the views page also, because when we have the views page, we have to check these things again and again, because I have to check this part again in the views, and I have to check this part in the religions also. Let's say I have a religion detail page. I have to check this part in the religion also. So I could check this part in the multiple pages. Now, if I write this code again and again in the multiple pages, then it will, if something I have to change, then let's say tomorrow this thing is not working. So if I'm changing it here, I have to change it on all the 3 pages. So that is the reason we cannot put this thing in all the pages. We have to place it in one particular page. So there are a couple of ways to do that. Either I can take this whole thing and put it in the function or in the class, or let's copy this code, this part, and create a file, PHP file. So I can say new file. Sorry, I'm in the wrong place. I can use the file also. So let's create a file. Maybe I can say taking what we are taking religion status. Let's say I created a file taking religion status, and if I go inside this file, I will put my code. I put the code which I have here. I have copied it and pasted here, and then here I will just include taking religion status .php. I'm putting this only include part, and then include will call this part, and it will check it and do appropriate action. And tomorrow, if we want to edit it, I will only edit it in this file, and all the places which calls this file will be getting the new values. So now if I go there, refresh it, it's working fine. Let's try to make it 2, and let's try to make it user ID 2. Now it should redirect me to index page, and it's redirecting me. So that means it's working. My code include is working fine because I got redirected to home page. So that means what I did, I took that part and put it in this file for easy reference. So this part is also done. Now let's go to the views one, and first we'll go to the religion one, create religion one. So in the religion one, I will not allow user to give the image URL. I need to put image. If you see the religion one, I added the image, religion image. So this religion image will be something user will upload the file. I want to show you how to upload the file in PHP. That's the reason I will choose user to add the file using file upload. So user will browse some file in the computer and it will upload it. And I can say image, religion image. So here I will say bold, and I will click this one and I will say religion image. So regarding the functionality of this religion image, I will show you on next class how to upload the file on the server, and we will upload the file on the server. So once the file will go to the server, we need the folder where we want to save the images. So I can create a folder called as images, and I will again create a folder inside images called as religion, and then here I will save the images inside the religion. Generally, I try to avoid saving the images on my server because it will become too heavy. Let's say tomorrow 1 million users are coming and 1 million files they are uploading it. Facebook is big company, they have big servers, so user can put the image there and they have a lot of money to support it. But I don't have so much money for people to support this so many images. So I will only show you how to upload the image, and then after showing you, in reality, I will ask user to just put the image URL. So I will just put the text field, and in the text field, I will just ask user to the URL of the image. They can go to the Google or they can find somewhere, put it on the server or Facebook, and then give the URL here of the image. I don't want this to go to the production because I don't want to really save the images on my server. I'm just putting this for you to show you how to upload the image in PHP. And later on, after we are done with the code of this, I will delete this and I will replace it with this one. And same thing will go with the create views. In the views, I will not even upload it. I will just put the image URL because you know the idea how to upload it. This is the place we will just allow user to put the image. Any image, I will just give the text box and I will say videos, YouTube URL. The user can put the YouTube URL here, and then I will take any links or PDF or any document. This will be the links to any PDF document. I will create a text box. I will give the appropriate name to each text box, and I will also add the functionality to add the multiple images, multiple YouTube URLs, multiple links to PDF. Since multiple things is not supported by Dreamweaver, we need to write little bit code, PHP code to support that. So I will show you how to write that code to support that. And that we'll do next lesson. In the next, on Monday, we will try to do as much as possible. Then we'll do something on Tuesday, Wednesday, and goes on. So this is the plan of future. Maybe on Monday, Tuesday, it may take 2-3 days to complete this part and the part here, religion. Because this is taking file upload. Dreamweaver does not support any file upload. There is no server behavior to do that file upload. So I will show you some PHP code how to upload a file on the server. Any questions?
No.
Okay.